What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Victoria and this is my channel. I don't really know what I'm going to be doing today, but I don't know what I'm going to be talking about. Let's get ready for whatever. I think I'm going to end up going thrift shopping today. Maybe, potentially, maybe not. Who knows? I need to get like a makeup mirror. When I lived at the old place, I had one. It ain't here no more, so I don't know. So currently on my face, I have moisturizer, eye cream, and Vaseline that I just keep licking off. So pretty much no Vaseline. Okay, so we're gonna start with brows. Lately, I've been using the BH Cosmetics Flawless Brow Trio in the shade Medium. So I saw on Instagram a man Dizzle. She's amazing. On her live, she was putting concealer on underneath her foundation, and I've never done that. But the coverage that she gets is so amazing. So I'm gonna try it. So maybe I'll just go in with the Fit Me. But I'm almost out of this. Did you guys see Black Panther? If you didn't, then you can just like unsubscribe for me now. Just kidding. You should subscribe. But seriously, if you haven't seen it, where have you been? I've been like obsessed with the soundtrack for the past 2 weeks now. Am I getting a I was telling my mom the other day, like, Ma, I think I'm getting a mustache. Like, what the heck is this? And sometimes I just don't want to like color correct, so I'm hoping that I like this, doing it this way. How sexy am I? Sexy or not? Gonna use a Tarte Shape Tape. Because this is Tarte Tape. What? No, I'm gonna use NARS Sheer Glow foundation in the color Macao. This is my favorite foundation of life. I feel like I'm running out. A mirror would be helpful, right? So I do actually like how it looks with the concealer, because typically right now my under eyes would still be pretty dark even after using my Sheer Glow. But they don't look super dark right now. I haven't used the LA Girl Pro concealers in like 80 years, so we're gonna use them today. I think I usually mix these two colors together. Let's start out with Warm Honey and just see how I like it. Feels like there's almost nothing in here. I'm running out of all of my concealers. Fabulous. Do you guys like my cat ears? Can you even see them through my curls? You see them now? Oh yeah, I definitely don't need to mix this one. I just wish it was more yellow. I don't know why I'm doing this. I never do this. That's annoying, Victoria. Why are you doing all of that? Oh, too late now. So I'm gonna blend out everything but my under eye right now. Ooh, I forgot how much I like this formula. I went through all of my makeup and kind of reorganized everything. and I was like, oh my gosh, I have like 55 of these LA Girl concealers. I should probably use them. Do you guys see these bags under my eyes? Like, it's ridiculous. Bags under my eyes was never something I ever had to like deal with, and all of a sudden maybe the past 2 weeks, 3 weeks, it's just been like designer bags under there, okay? And I'm just not here for it. I'm not here for it. They have gotten a lot better. Like, they were horrible. I'm trying to think if I want to use my Ben Nye banana powder or if I want to use my Tarte Amazonian clay finishing powder. Just get the excess off because I'm a dry girl, so I'm just gonna kind of lightly pounce that because Lord, powder makes me so dry. So I literally just press it into my skin. I do not bake ever, and because I put concealer and foundation and stuff on my eyelids, I'm putting it on my eyelids. Okay, I'm making this into a tutorial. I need to talk, Victoria. So yeah, so anyway, back to these under eye bags that I've been having. I feel like it's just been because of stress, and I haven't been sleeping very well. What is that? Do you see that? Is it coming up on camera? There's like a dark spot. Oh, I don't know what the heck that is, but we're about to get it. I've been stressed out, and I feel like the stress has been really getting to me, and I haven't been sleeping well. You know, we all go through stuff. It's part of being human. It's life, you know. Nobody's perfect. Nobody's life is perfect. We all go through crap. I'm using my Guerlain bronzer in the shade 07. Whoa. Do you guys see that? Okay, we're gonna fix that in like 2.5. Oh, no. I don't know what's up with that, but no. I don't know if it's the powder and it's maybe moving my concealer around, but that's a negative for me. So I think it's the powder because I used the powder on Sunday and my face was doing the same thing, and I couldn't figure out why. And I still don't understand why, because I used to use this powder all the time and I loved it. But we're gonna go in with the RCMA no color powder. I'm going in with a brush because that's typically how I would apply my powder. I kind of wanted to talk to you guys about like the direction that I'm taking the channel, because I do want to get back to like consistently uploading. So if you follow me on my other social media, so like my Instagram or my Snapchat, not necessarily my Twitter, but more my Instagram and my Snapchat, you would know that like I literally live in the gym. I'm thinking about incorporating some fitness videos on my channel. I am not a personal trainer. I'm not a nutritionist. I am not trying to teach you how to do certain things. If you need help with form and stuff, go to the gym and ask someone who works there. Ask a personal trainer. Hire a personal trainer. But I'm not that. I want to document my journey. If I can help someone or inspire someone or motivate somebody to get up and do something that's going to benefit them, then why the heck not, you know? So I don't know if I want to like film my workouts and put my workouts up, or if I feel like I want to do that, but that's really difficult only because a lot of gyms have rules about you filming in the gym, obviously, because it could very well make other people feel uncomfortable, which is completely understandable, and I never want to make anybody feel uncomfortable when they're working out, you know? So like I'm thinking I might just need to have like a gym buddy, and like film on my phone and do it that way, which is a little more discreet versus like setting up a tripod. I also have a gym in my building downstairs, so I guess I could always go there. It's very limiting. Obviously it's in an apartment building, so they're not gonna have as much what? Why can't I speak English today? Let's get it together, Victoria. They're not gonna have as many machines or as much space as my normal gym has. But if I'm gonna do the gym, I'm gonna have to find somebody to work out with consistently who has no problem filming, because I also don't want to be that person who's just like, hey, can you stop what you're doing and film my set? Like, I never want to be that person, because that's actually super annoying. I did film a shoulder workout, and if I do decide to put fitness on this channel, it'll probably be up before this, maybe not. If it is, I'll link it down below. If it's not, then I guess I won't. Back to the makeup, because I haven't touched my face. I'm going into my MAC palette. It has my favorite transition color in here, which is MAC's Brownscript. So I'm just gonna use this, and I guess we're just gonna kind of see what happens. I also kind of want to do like a story time series, or maybe I don't even know if I want it to be like a series. Maybe I'll just do story time videos too, because you know, I've gone through some things. Some stories are funny. Some things that I've been through, you've probably been through. But you know what I'm saying? Like, if you are going through something with like a boyfriend or a girlfriend, or you're in a situationship, Lord knows I can talk about situationships. I'm obviously not gonna expose anybody unless you're close to me or were around at that time. You're not gonna know who these people are. I'm not gonna use anything in this palette, actually. All right, just gonna go to the OG, the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe brushes palette. I'm gonna go in with Buns, which is this color. I feel like I'm just gonna be expanding past, you know, just makeup and beauty on this channel. And I hope that if you are here for the beauty, that you'll stick around and you'll find some sort of interest in whatever other videos I do. I will still do beauty videos. Like, I'll still do get ready with me's, I'll still do reviews. It's just, I want to let you know that it's not only gonna, I don't plan for it to only be that on this channel. So yeah, I just rambled a lot to just tell you guys to expect different types of content on my channel. I guess I'm gonna go in with Mocha, which is this brown right here. So I talked about what I'm planning on doing with the channel, but what kind of videos do you guys want to see? Because as much as I want this channel to be for like me and, you know, just, you know, me doing what I love to do, I want to make things that you guys want to watch, you know. So like, what do you guys want to see? Beauty, fitness? Do you want to see story times, or are you like, girl, bye? Let me know. Let me know. I did do a poll on Instagram maybe like 2-3 weeks ago, and asked if you guys would want to see, like, if people would want to see like fitness videos, and everyone said yes. This color right here, I've never used this shadow before, so let's see. Oh yeah, it's perfect. So my sister is home for spring break. How exciting. Why am I not with her right now? Good question. Because she made plans for the entire day. That's how much she loves me. We went to Topgolf yesterday. It was with our mother. It was me and my mom's first time going there, and it was so much fun. I did kind of film vloggy-ish footage, or I have been since she's been back. I just don't know if I'm actually gonna make it a vlog. We'll see how the rest of the week goes. If we actually do stuff, like, I want to vlog, but I feel like I don't do anything like interesting. Literally, you guys would watch me like get up and me eat and go to the gym and come home and eat, and that's it. I'm gonna go back into Mocha and just kind of deepen the outer and inner corners a little bit. I'm sorry if you can hear all of that noise. My room faces the busiest street in the world, so you're hearing like trucks and stuff. My bad. I think I am going to, you know, incorporate fitness stuff. I think I'm gonna put up the video that I've been editing. It's a really short one. It's like one of my shoulder workouts, which is like my shortest workout of the week. Okay, I like how this came out. I think this is pretty. Beam, because I don't think it's too shimmery. So that one's Beam right there. I don't like anything like too light and too shimmery, so let's. Oh no, this is good. Okay, the sun is going down, and so I need to like beat the sun. While my face is still drying, that's when I kind of like to go in with my highlighter so it kind of melts into the skin a little bit. So I'm using NARS Albatross. It's like my go-to. See? Golden. Golden. I'm not applying lashes because I'm not about to just apply some lashes just for the sake of this video. I'm going in with the new Benefit Bad Gal Bang. I love this mascara. Just the wand, it just gets every single hair. It'll definitely make your lashes clumpy. On the top I can dig it, but on the bottom nah. And I feel like I'm just so used to not wearing any like lashes on, any mascara on my bottom lashes. Putting anything down there is kind of weird for me. I then go in with my L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black because this one gives you volume, okay? I also like both of these mascaras because they're both super, 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 super black. I like my lashes dark. I'm gonna go in with MAC's Stripdown lip liner. And then I'm gonna go in with the Sephora Lip Story lipstick in the shade number 10, which is Yum Yum. First off, can we discuss the packaging of these lip stories? They're the cutest. I think they're $7 or $8. They're the cheapest lipsticks you can buy at Sephora, and they're so creamy. I love this color. Well, all right, this is it. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed getting ready with me. I hope that you guys like this style of video. I'm just trying to play around and do different things with my channel. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If it is the end, then if it's not, I can't speak English, and that's okay. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace.